Yes, guys, how are we doing? Yes. Thank you guys for joining. As per usual, people, please leave a like as you are rolling in. And let me know if you can hear this fan in the background because it's hitting my face at the moment because it's boiling, but I just don't know if you guys can hear it or not. So let me know if that's okay. Because if it is, I'll turn it down. It's not a problem. But how are we all doing? We are back to normal, people. Back to normal. How are we all doing? We will wait for a few more people to join before we begin the stream. But thank you guys. Yeah, please leave a like as you are rolling in. How's it going, Dan? Good to see you here again, man. Appreciate you joining. I need to get this cough out my. Sorry about that. But yeah, how are we, guys? It has been a mental week, man. Mental week. Good start to the week though, with the market looking all green and everything, innit? I'm really happy with the way things are going. So yeah, man. Yesterday was a great day. That's when that's when everything kind of kicked off, right? With all the good price action and everything. So it was very, very good to see. And it's continuing today. Seeing a few coins pop here and there. Luna as well. Luna's doing very good at the moment. Hopefully, you guys by now have got a little bit of Luna at least. Can't hear the fan, bro. Things looking green. That's it. Thank you. Good. I'm glad you can't hear the fan because it's feeling good on my face right now, man. I need it. Okay, it is really hot. But yeah, guys, why don't we jump into it? Today's news, right? It isn't really I don't know whether or not you guys did see the video this morning, but it's more of just adoption and good things being said about Bitcoin and the big boys buying more Bitcoin because I was kind of looking around today and I thought to myself, do you know what? There's nothing in the articles right now that's making me go, whoa, do you know what I mean? The only things in there are really just seeing more people talk and buy cryptocurrency or Bitcoin. So it's really good to see. I can't complain at all. I'm really happy with the way things are going right now. As I always say, you guys know my thoughts and everything on what's going to be happening, in my opinion, over the next few months or so. Just a slow grind up. But today, I just kind of wanted to, talk about these things and then just kind of move on and take a look around at Bitcoin itself, see what we can expect next, and then just kind of finish off by taking a look at the whole the scores of the Euros and everything, man. Hopefully, you guys have been watching. But I'm pretty happy with the way things are going. So we'll see. It's been pretty exciting so far. Obviously, we've had a bit of bad news as well, which I do want to talk about towards the end. But we'll get there. We'll get there. But anyway, just to kind of kick things off, to start off with, it was just this hedge funds expected to increase crypto holdings over the next 5 years, and I found that crazy, man. Because that's a very big statement, and it just goes to show that cryptocurrency is not just a thing now; it's a thing of the future as well. It's going to be taking over, and that's quite bullish news. So we'll see how crypto does develop when we go into the future, a few years down the line, see what does happen, and what kind of adoption we're going to start seeing. Then will it just be Bitcoin? Will it be something else? But we'll take a look at all of these things, and then hopefully in a few years we'll be looking back at these videos thinking, wow, how far have we come? Dan, how does tax work on crypto? So in the UK, it's capital gains tax, 20%. However, you are taxed based on the trades that you make and not physically what you withdraw into your bank account. I'm actually going to be focusing on doing a video on tax for you guys because it's a very, very good website that I use to do all of my tax and everything else. Because imagine if you sent all of your crypto trades to your accountant and there's like loads of them like mine was over the last year. They need every single trade, no matter how small or how big, it would have been taxed if you obviously made a profit. And there was thousands of transactions on there, but there is a website which I'm going to be showing you guys in a video how to use. It will basically connect your exchange to the website, and they will find every single trade that you've done, and they'll calculate the tax for you. They'll download and send you all the tax reports that you need to send to your accountant. So a lot of things, but they make it very easy. But in short, tax in the UK anyway, it's 20% capital gains tax on the trades that you make if you have made a profit. So that's how tax works for us. It's very similar in loads of different countries as well. They just have like smaller, some will charge more tax, some a little bit less. I know in America, I believe if you hold your crypto for over a year, you get taxed less. I'm not 100% sure how that works, but yeah, UK 20%. Oh, and it's obviously your initial investment is free, so no tax on that. And then 12K is also not taxed as well. So your initial investment, not taxed, up to 12K profit, not taxed. Anything after that, 20% capital gains. How does IOM capital gains tax work, bro? I know you're in the Isle of Man, mate, but you guys don't have any tax. So yeah, I know you're just showing off, Liam, mate. For those that don't know, Liam lives in the Isle of Man, and yeah, he's showing off a little bit because you know, guy's cheating the world right now, isn't he? Cheeky bugger. But yeah, let's get into this news because I wanted to just show you guys what this was about. So hedge funds is expected to increase crypto holdings over the next 5 years, which is a big deal, by the way. A new survey found that traditional hedge funds plan to invest an average of 7.2% of their holdings into cryptocurrencies. Big. Oh, there's Doge again. Oh man, Doge, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum in the back there. So traditional hedge funds are showing a growing appetite for cryptocurrencies as a vast majority, 98% of executives, plan investments in digital assets within the next 5 years, according to the recent research by Amsterdam-based management company Intertrust Group. The survey of 100 chief hedge fund financial officers in North America, Europe, and the UK and Asia have shown that on average, they expect to invest 7.2% of their investment holdings into crypto. So it's just literally buy crypto. Like everything is to do with crypto, man. And it's just going to get more and more adoption. That's what we like to see, right? That is what we like to see. Crypto Bible, thank you, sir, for the support. Anytime, man, anytime. Seeing all the news and Bitcoin hitting 40K, would you use leverage coins such as Bitcoin up in the near future? I do not leverage trade. I do not recommend anyone does leverage trade unless you know exactly what you are doing, you know how to read charts, and you've got money you can afford to lose, right? Because if you are leverage trading, you could lose your money within seconds. You know, don't get me wrong, that's a big mistake that I made. And do you know what? I probably should have put that into one of my videos as one of the mistakes that rookies would make, because you know, using leverage trading, people think it's a way to make money very quickly and a lot of money quickly as well. But it's not. It can be if you know what you're doing, but it's also a way to lose your money very quickly as well. So I'll stay away from leverage trading. When I was new, I tried it, ruined me, absolutely ruined me. Imagine, you know, leverage trading and then going to sleep at night with no stop loss or anything, waking up to the text messages saying that you have been liquidated. Yeah, it wasn't the best thing in the world, not the best feeling in the world. So no, personally, no, I do not and will not leverage trade no matter how bullish I am on the market. Just buy and hold, safer, man. Spot trading. That's what you got to do. I read an article the other day saying hedge fund manager was investing 25 million into crypto. It's great news for crypto. It's amazing news for crypto, man. It's great. Literally, people do not understand how big this really is. And it is just all we're seeing in the news right now is this billionaire, that billionaire, this hedge fund, this financial institution. They're all buying Bitcoin. So it's great. No worries, man. I will do that. And if for people that don't know what leverage trading is, you don't need to know. I would just stay away from it. I'll cover it in a future video for sure, but stay away. Very, very dangerous things, man. Just try and keep yourself safe. There's no need is basically what I'm trying to say. There's just no need to do it. Unless you really, really know what you're doing. I just wouldn't recommend it. That's all. Arsenal fan 30, thanks for joining, man. Yo, what's up, Tan? I was watching a crypto video yesterday and it was jam-packed with a ton of info for over an hour, but the course they were promoting was $797. Something's a bit suspect. Yeah, do you know what? There's a lot of these courses out there. And yeah, I mean, look, at the end of the day, all of the information that you would probably get on a course would you probably be able to find them in a video on YouTube for free. I want to do my own course. I do want to do my own course, but I want to do it different to how everyone else does it. And what I mean by that is I want to start from the complete beginning from literally what is a cryptocurrency to step one of buying, and then literally going through every single step that someone needs to know, including all the staking. So literally all of my videos that I make that I think is important for people to know, I want to include it in a course. How much is that going to be? I have got absolutely no idea. Nowhere near that price, way less than £100 anyway. So yeah, I'm kind of looking. I don't know. Obviously, I don't want to give any promises to how much it's going to be, but I want to do a course for you guys that is like purely educational, that can teach you a lot. So don't be buying a course for $797, man. You ask me the question, bro. I'll tell you what you need to know. Seriously, for free as well. So yeah, that is very suspect. They might give you some good information, but nothing that you won't be able to find on the internet anyway. Crypto is everywhere at the moment. It's huge. So yeah, just kind of stick to the free stuff, man. Hopefully I'll bring out a course soon. APJ, I'll be removing these scammers as soon as the computer loads. No worries, man. They're coming in thick and fast, innit? Jeez, thick and fast today. But yeah, we just ignore it, man. We move. But yeah, so obviously, like I said, it's all about buying. And then obviously we had Paul Tudor Jones, which is a billionaire hedge fund manager, who was also talking about Bitcoin. And he says that Bitcoin is a way for me to invest into certainty. So again, when people of this stature come out and say things like this, it's gonna cause people to buy, right? If a billionaire, like they always say, follow the smart money, don't they? So even him coming out and saying things like this, it is crazy, man. It is crazy. The amount of like adoption news and buy Bitcoin news that is coming out. Mental. I saw it this morning. Eric, thanks for joining, man. When you say a crypto has got some good projects going on, what could that be as an example? Well, it depends on what you're talking about, because would it be the actual crypto itself as a project of what it actually does, or could you be talking about something like Luna, which has an entire ecosystem under it? It just kind of depends on what actual project you're looking at, right? Is there anything in particular that you are talking about? And just kind of going on to Luna, guys. I know I've spoken about it before, and this is not financial advice or anything, but if you have not invested into Luna, I highly recommend you go and take a look at it and go and get some. Not financial advice, just my opinion, but I've never been so bullish on a coin before. And I do believe it's going to be a really good performer in the next few months or so. So yeah, take a look at Luna if you haven't already. So yeah, let's carry on reading this. According to billionaire hedge fund manager Paul Tudor Jones, a diversified investment portfolio should have at least 5% in Bitcoin. So again, don't know if you saw my video this morning, but I was talking about diversification. I do believe it is very important. People do diversify their crypto portfolio. I believe it's important to have different coins in there, different amounts as well. But yeah, it's up to you guys whether or not you want to, follow Paul Tudor and actually have 5% Bitcoin in your portfolio. That's up to you guys. Bitcoin's Bitcoin. Everyone knows what Bitcoin is, right? So for me, I don't hold any Bitcoin personally. As I said, I believe that the most profit potential is in the altcoins, so the smaller coins. I just believe that's where most of the money is. That's where I've made all my money as well. But there's going to be a lot of Bitcoin maxis that love him coming out and saying things like that. So legendary Wall Street investor Paul Tudor Jones wants to invest into certainty. And for him, that means having some Bitcoin in his portfolio. Speaking on CNBC's Squawk Box on Monday, Jones said that Bitcoin is math, and math has been around for thousands of years. I like the idea of investing into something that is reliable, consistent, honest, and 100% certain. Bitcoin has appealed to me because it is a way for me to invest in certainty. See that bit there? Yeah, I'm not really too sure about what he said there regarding reliability, consistency, honesty, and 100% certain. Let's get one thing straight. Nothing's 100% certain. So already, I don't believe that is good advice given to the people. Reliable, consistent, honest. I would not be saying that about any cryptocurrency simply due to the volatility of the crypto market. Because if you are saying that something is reliable, consistent, and 100% certain, you're talking about something that's, people are going to take that as, oh, this is always going to go up. we're always going to make money from this. Well, no, there's going to come a day where things are going to crash again, and we're going to go into a 3-year, 4-year bear market. Then what are people going to think? And, you know, with the way Bitcoin has already gone and how high it's already gone since last year, I believe that's a very dangerous thing to say, man, because, you know, the retail investors will believe you and they will buy, and they'll buy a lot of it. And then what's going to happen when things start going down? But look, I don't want to talk about things going down, because right now things are not going down. Things are going up, and we are in a very bullish market right now, in my opinion. And I think the next few months are going to be extremely exciting. So don't get me wrong at all. I don't think you guys get how excited I am for the next few months and the plans I've got after that. Crazy, yeah? Crazy. Just wait on it. Yeah, just wait on it. That's it. Buy. Can you check FTV Futurov? Is that a coin? Is that a cryptocurrency, man? I could check it out if that's a cryptocurrency. I haven't really heard of it though. But yeah, and then the other thing that I wanted to show you guys was, again, just something very, very similar. This MicroStrategy may sell 1 billion in stock to buy more Bitcoin. So again, it's just more buying of Bitcoin. It's crazy. Decentralized Netflix. Wow. I'm going to check that out. That sounds pretty cool. I have researched FET and I think it could be a good investment. What do you think? And do you hold any yourself? Oh, Lance, why did you say that? FET was going to be one of my crypto pick of the weeks, my friend. I hold FETs. I've held FET for a very long time. I still hold FET. I'm very bullish on FET. Yes. FET's great, man. I'm glad you've researched it, because you found the very good crypto there. And it is a very good investment. So I'm not going to get fully into it today. Nah, man, don't be silly. I'm only joking, man. I'm only joking. Do you know what it does? It gives people another option. FET's a good coin, guys. Have a look into it. And tomorrow I'll give you another crypto pick of the week. Even more things coming your way, right? But yeah, FET's great, man. And people that have not checked into FET, go and have a look. I won't cover it in this video. I will do it another time. But I do hold a lot of FET. And well done to you for finding and researching FET, man. 100%. We love FET. We do love FET. Dude, I haven't heard of this decentralized Netflix, man. But I will take a look into that for you, and I will definitely try cover it in another video, because I don't want to give too much of an opinion on it, simply because I don't know too much about it. And you know me, I don't like talking about coins that I wouldn't really know too much about, right? So I'll take a look though. How many cryptos do you usually hold in your portfolio, assuming you diversify? I hold about 8. I hold about 8 coins. Personally, I would not be holding more than 10. Even 10 to me sounds a lot. 8 is a very good amount for me to manage. It's a good amount of coins to have as well. So yeah, I hold 8. My mate asked me yesterday about Dent. Have you heard of it or done research on it yesterday? And it seemed to tick all the boxes. I've seen Dent on Binance. I believe I saw it, but I've definitely seen it somewhere. I've never looked into it though, man. So I do not know what it is. Don't know what it does. I've heard of it. But again, it's another thing that I can't really give too much of an opinion on, man. Please check now, at least website review. All right, let me have a quick look at this. What's it called again? FTV Futurov. Right, let me just do this. Give me a sec, guys. FTV Futurov. Blockchain's first entertainment aggregator, a producer of community-driven original motion picture in A plus VR, virtual reality. Let me just show you guys this screen. Here we go. This is what it looks like. Okay, interesting. Interesting. I have to have a look. The larger our network and purchasing power grows through the economics of scale, the better our quality and quantity of viewer-voted content will be, thus attracting more users and in a theoretically limitless and organically growing cycle. Is this coin on Binance? Let me know. I'm quite curious to know where that coin is actually available on Binance. I'll have a look. Dent is on Binance. I know, yeah, that's where I thought I saw it. So, but yeah. Love you, mate. Please check FTV a variable on CoinGecko too. Okay, I will take a look into it. That sounds pretty interesting, man. So thank you for showing me that. My first ever purchase is Chili's. I'm reading it's for the long haul, but if the profit's there, I'm taking some. So, fun fact, for those that have known me for a long time as well, I bought Chili's at 2 cents. 2 cents. Yeah, it was great. We wrote that guy up, man, to like, I believe my last target for Chili's at the time was about 55 cents. So yeah, made a killing on that, man. And the fact how it just exploded, I think it was in March. It just went mental in March. In fact, let me have a quick look, man. Give me a second. Because I remember Chili's and it was crazy. I put it around 2-3 cents. And the way that thing just exploded was crazy. And it's good to actually show you guys what I mean, because here you go. This is the type of thing that these coins can do. So where is it? Because I brought it. No, I didn't buy it that cheap. I bought it around there. See this little pump here? I think that's what got me interested into it, and it was around here that I brought it. So as you can see on the right hand side here, I brought it at around 2 cents. So let's just say I brought it here, and we rode it all the way up to 50 cents. So even there. Oh no, that's 5 cents. What am I talking about, man? 50 cents. Here. See that? Look at that profit, man. That was a lot of money. I remember that. It was crazy. This was mental. So this is the daily chart. And I remember around this area here where it was like day after day after day, just kept going and going and going and going. You know, I took profit around there, took profit around there, took profit around there. Last one, took profit around there. That was fun. I definitely remember that. And for those that know me for a long time, know that, you know, we enjoyed that ride. But the great thing is that this will happen, man. This is gonna happen to a lot of coins. You got in at 21 cents. You're still making a killing on that, man. 100%. Hot. It is very hot, man. But yeah, Chili's is a great project, all to do with sports for people that do not know. I remember I was watching a match. I think it was like AC Milan versus Juventus, and then they brought out a plaque which had Chili's on it. And I was like, wow, I'm invested in that. And I got in that well early. And just goes to show what some good research can do. But yeah, man, really good. Nah, you're taking me, this guy. I ain't even going to reply to that, Lance. SXP is great. I do hold SXP also. What is it? You like hacked my phone or something, mate? What's going on here, Lance? You're creeping me out here, mate. Creeping me out. I'm only joking. Recently, Kingsley Wolanski signed as an ambassador of FTV for Toro and new Hollywood celebrity incoming for FTV Original. That's pretty good, man. I'm gonna take a look at that. That sounds very interesting. Then has great potential, Dan. I have a small bag of it at 2% in my portfolio. Good to know, Liam, man. What is it about? What does it do? I want to look into it. I'm not going to be investing into anything new, though. I just, you know, like looking at certain things. I'm just very heavy in the ones that I've got right now, so I'm quite happy with it. I have not heard of Credit Coin. No, have not heard of Credit Coin. So many new ones coming out, man. But it's good to see that you guys are doing quite a good amount of research on these coins, because seem to be pretty good ones, man. They seem to be pretty good. So fair enough to you lot. Fair enough. And then, yeah, so I was talking about MicroStrategy may sell 1 billion in stock to buy more Bitcoin. So yeah, again, that's just more bullish news for Bitcoin. Once again, people are still buying. And then I thought that was it, right? I thought that was it. And then I saw this while I was scrolling through my Twitter. I came across this. Grayscale adds 2 billion in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies over the weekend. Everyone is buying Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Now, look, let me give you my opinion on this, right? Part of me is scared. And I'll tell you why. Part of me is scared because the last time we saw such good news, you know, everyone buying, last time was when obviously Elon and Tesla, they brought as well. You know, we saw some good price action after, but then next thing you know, everything just kind of dumped. And whenever good news like this comes, it just scares me. It gets me on edge because I'm scared of what's going to be happening next, right? However, nowadays with all the technology and everyone following everyone else, you know, we can actually see that these big financial institutions are buying, and you know, it's obviously shown they are showing that they are buying, so we can see that, which is great. So I'm kind of just in two heads at the moment, right, with the whole Bitcoin situation, because then I came across this, and it just basically showed that Bitcoin long-term holders are accumulating quickly. So as we could see here, obviously the big drop, but now big, you know, positive news coming out here that people are now buying again. They're accumulating more Bitcoin. And you can see that it's just trending up, man. That's just going to keep going up. So not only are all of the big boys buying, but, you know, the long-term holders are also buying as well. And, you know, the thing is, a few weeks ago, people seeing this type of news, they would have been shocked, man. They would have been shocked for sure, because people were scared. And as I said before, guys, when you first started watching me, I said to you guys, soon the narrative is going to change. All of this bad news, all of this dumping, when everyone was crying and selling, soon it's going to be forgotten about. And there's going to be so much good news coming out. Everyone's going to forget about what happened previously, and they're going to start buying again. And obviously, I then presented the whole Wyckoff accumulation chart. To me, it looks like we are nearly done with that. And we are just kind of making our way back out. So that was good as well. So everything is looking really good right now. Now, don't get me wrong. There are still going to be dips along the way. Of course, there's going to be dips. There's going to be scary moments along the way. Sure, 100%. In fact, this is what I saw when it came to the Bitcoin chart. I was having a look just to see, you know, where we've actually pumped to, because we did obviously pump the last few days. And I wanted to see, have we hit some kind of resistance level, because we've just kind of been flat for the last 24 hours or so. And then I saw this. Not that it's a big deal or anything, but you know, this was obviously resistance over here back in January. When we had that big pump, we actually hit this level before we came back down, and then we obviously went and broke it a whole month later. We're now back at that level, and it's been a good 24 to 48 hours. These are, each candle here represents 1 day. We're on the daily chart, and yesterday we hit this level spot on, as you can see right there, spot on. And today we are struggling to break past this level as well. So, you know, that level does lie at, there you go, let's just say 41,000. I'd like to see us close the daily chart above it. But again, you know, short term doesn't really bother me, even if we come back down a little bit and then go back and test it. As you can see what happened there. We hit it, came back down, then look what we done, right? So it doesn't bother me if we do that. I still think longer term, we're going to be making a new high around this area up here. But for now, it looks like this is the kind of level that we are struggling to break past. I wouldn't say struggling, but, you know, this is the level that we need to break past 41,000 and close above it. So that was basically what I wanted to show you guys in regards to the actual like Bitcoin chart, right? True, nothing goes up in a straight. The thing is, you don't want things to go up in a straight line at all, because anything that goes up in a straight line will come down in a straight line. And it just goes to show, right, with the whole charts, when you're looking at the chart, just to like give you guys like a clear example, you want things to go up like this, because all that's basically doing is that, you know, over here, there you go, you've just broken resistance. Cool. Breaking above it again. There's resistance, we've broken above it. Same again. Now it's support. Do you know what I mean? So you're basically always just, you know, coming back to touch support and resistance levels, because this is healthy. See, if you're going to come back down and touch our support level, and then here, this would be support. I've obviously drawn a line quite bad, but if you then got something like this going up, this is your level of support right here. So what's going to happen? You're just going to come all the way back down. Do you know what I mean? For its last level of support. So you want like a staircase going like that. That's why whenever you see charts on like Google or anything, they go up like that. You never see anything go up like that, man. And that's not what you want. So hopefully people understand why corrections and dips are very healthy. We need to see them. Crypto is like a life full of ups and downs. It's exactly like a life full of ups and downs. And the amount of ups and downs we've all had to go through. Obviously, I've been in crypto for over a year now. And dude, you know, the amount of ups and downs I've had to go through is insane. I was pulling my hair out at certain points. I was over the moon at certain points. I was bored at certain points. That's what it's about. But only the strong will make it through, right? Only the strong will make it through, and they're the ones that ultimately will make the money. Do you share your portfolio somewhere? No, I don't share my portfolio anywhere. There's only a collective people that I've helped in the past, and obviously they will know what I'm holding. But no, I don't share my portfolio really anywhere. But obviously these crypto pick of the weeks, a lot of them that I bring out would be stuff that I am holding, because obviously I wouldn't be showing you otherwise. But yeah, man, I don't really show my portfolio anywhere. But hopefully you guys will join me tomorrow for the crypto pick of the week, though. It will be a good one. I'll be sure to make it a good one. So you don't want to miss out. But please do like the video for the guys that are in here as well. Thank you for joining. And yeah, as I was saying in the beginning, for those that are not holding any Luna right now, please go and have a look at it. You will not regret it in the future. Not financial advice, just my opinion. But geez, man, I'm telling you, movements will happen, man, soon. So yeah, that's what I want to show with the Bitcoin chart. Now, if you guys were in my live stream, when was it? Was it last week? No, the week before. My crypto pick of the week 2 weeks ago was MIR, Mirror Protocol. I showed you guys it. I explained it to you guys. Hopefully you went ahead and you bought some if you've done some more research and you like the look of it, because this is what we have seen today. MIR is coming to Revolut. For those that don't know what Revolut is, it is basically like an app which you can, they send you like a debit card, and you can purchase crypto, you can purchase groceries or anything using this crypto card. It is a very, very good app, very popular. Last week they listed Dogecoin and I done a video on it. This week they're listing MIR. So there you go, guys. I'm only giving you guys some tips on some very good cryptos, man. Nothing else. No rubbish in here, man. Proper projects, right? Proper projects. So hopefully you guys had a look at MIR when I did show you that, because I found that very interesting how they listed MIR on Revolut. That was pretty cool to see, man. That was pretty cool to see. And yes, the staking is classed. Video coming very soon. I know it's taking so long on staking, but the only reason why it's taking so long is because there's so much people need to know, and I have to fit in so many different things when it comes to staking, because it's not just a matter of here's my crypto, stake it and earn some rewards. There's certain things you need to download, things you need to do, things you need to understand. There's so much to it. However, staking is good. I stake MIR, I stake Luna. I'll do that video for you guys soon. Got a lot of Litecoin a few days ago. Good choice. Very good choice, man. Very good choice. Let's not get it wrong. Back in the day, there was only Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP, Litecoin, Dash, all of these things. And Litecoin is an OG. And if you had a look to see how well Litecoin has done in the past, you would be very, very shocked, because Litecoin is capable of doing things like this. Let me show you guys. If I go to the daily chart and I go over to our previous bull run, is it going to load? It doesn't have the but I forgot the name of the charts. That's it. Get more history on this, man. Let me just show you. I just want to show you why Litecoin is good as well. Daily chart. So here you go. It's because it has moves like that. This was the last bull run it had. And Litecoin is an OG. And with something being, before I get into that, let me just explain something. With a coin being an OG, the reason why it's good is because you can go back and look at what happened in history. You can see the way it performed. You can see the patterns that it gave out and what it's doing right now. So you can compare. And comparing right now to what happened in 2013 in regards to the entire bull run and the market, it's looking very identical. So if Litecoin wants to do what it done previously in 2017 and then also in 2013, over here, as you could see, these are the type of moves Litecoin can produce, man. And it's crazy. It's crazy. If I just take that down, right? Give me a sec and I'll show you how big these moves actually are. Look at that. Look at that move. It is ridiculous. It is absolutely ridiculous. But yeah, that's why Litecoin's a good investment. And right now, if I show you where it's actually sitting, you'll realize why. So if we go over here, I'll just zoom out a little bit. This is the daily chart. What did Litecoin do? Litecoin came right up to its previous all-time high right there, got rejected off it. We didn't actually have any closes, as you can see. You guys know what a candle is now, right? We didn't close above it. What did it do? It came right to its all-time high and had a massive knockback. So Litecoin has not even been on its bull run yet at all. In a bull run, if we're in a bull run, they're going to break their all-time high and they're going to set new all-time highs. Well, Litecoin right now is sitting at $177. Its all-time high is over there at $400, right? So just to its all-time high is a 4x, okay? 4 times your money. And then after that, wherever it's going to set, you know, that's up to you guys to judge. I don't hold any Litecoin, but, you know, Litecoin is a very good investment right now, in my opinion. Can't go wrong. Cannot. Oh, was I not showing you on the screen? Oh, for God's sake. Let me get it back, man. Let me get it back. Here you go. Sorry, guys. This is Litecoin chart. Jeez, what am I doing? Honestly, this is the Litecoin chart. And this line here, this was the all-time high. Okay. So all it done a few weeks ago is it came back and it hit its all-time high and then rejected itself, right? Right now, we're sitting at $177. Its all-time high was at $400. So you're looking at 3 to 4x just to get back to its all-time high. Because in a bull run, everything will break its all-time high and go set new highs, right? So Litecoin being an OG, obviously you guys didn't see what happened in 2013, did you? So going back, this was its bull run in 2013. That don't look like a lot to you, right? But if you zoom in on that, it was a big, big, big bull run for Litecoin, right? Look at that. Crazy bull run for Litecoin in 2013. And then the same thing in 2017's bull run. Look at that. Absolutely mental type of run, right? And Litecoin is capable of producing that. See? And the fact that it's got history and it's one of the original coins, it's going to do something like that again. That's why I do think Litecoin is a very, very good investment right now. So yeah, sorry guys, I couldn't believe I wasn't showing the chart, but you've seen it now. You know what's going on. I haven't actually seen what Ethereum is doing right now, man, but doesn't surprise me. A lot of things are popping here and there, man. Tana too excited to put a charm. Too excited, man. I just wanted to show you guys, but yeah, Litecoin cannot go wrong. I do not hold any. I wish I got into Litecoin a lot earlier. Because it's like XRP. Everyone always talks about XRP going on a monster run, but Litecoin too, it's not really spoken about too much. But what you got to realize is that it doesn't matter about all of these new cryptocurrencies coming out. Litecoin's got history. History is repeating itself. And if history is repeating itself, which it is, Litecoin went on a monster run. So what's going to stop it from doing it again this time? Do you know what I mean? So yeah, man, very good investment in my opinion right now. The other thing I wanted to cover before I go onto the whole euros and our cryptocurrencies within the euros and everything, you know, the scores and everything. Let's give a shout out to this guy, man. Seriously, I was praying. I saw it live on screen. I was shocked. But thank God he is okay. This picture gives me goosebumps, makes me smile. All right, because yeah, honestly, seeing that live, you know, there's a lot more things in the world that we need to be worrying about, and this guy's one of them, man. This, you know, things like this is one of them. You know, moving away from crypto for a second, this guy's one of them. So big up Ericsson, man. Glad he is okay. And yeah, you know, thank God the medics were there on scene to take care of him, and he pulled through. I'm not going to big up BBC because obviously they showed it and everything. I ain't going to get too much into it, but I thought it was definitely worth me at least mentioning Christian Eriksen, because there's a lot of things that are much bigger than, you know, everything else going on in the world right now. And this guy deserves everything right now. Everything. Hats off to the players and medics that reacted so quick. 100%, man. 100%. Hats off to them. They sprint onto the pitch. The way their team reacted as well, you know, making like a shield around the player, the blankets to cover him so they, you know, people couldn't see what was going on. Hats off to them. I remember sitting on my chair and I was literally like that. I could not believe what I was seeing. But yeah, big up Christian Eriksen, man. Glad he is okay. But moving on to the actual Euros and the scores and everything. Who was actually watching the Euros? Because my team Italy done a bit of a madness, didn't they? I was happy to see that they absolutely destroyed Turkey. And there's been some quite interesting scores as well, man. I was just cover this on the video I watched yesterday. One of the guys said people might be able to stake Ethereum by next month. Really? Via Ethereum? I'll tell you what Luna's doing. Luna has a project called Anchor Protocol, which is part of the Luna ecosystem, and you will be able to I believe you're able to, it might be through that actually, staking Ethereum. I forgot what it actually was. Oh God, I forgot the name of it. I want to cover it in a video for you guys, but yeah, that'd be crazy if that does happen. That would be crazy. What's the actual market saying right now anyway? Let me just have a quick look at this. Give me a second, guys. On the trading view. One thing I did see, guys, was Luna was picking up, wasn't it? Luna was proper picking up today. Very, very happy to see that. So I was doing my own little thing on Luna the other day, wasn't I? If we just go to like the hourly chart, zoom out a little bit. Here we go. There you go, man. You know, Luna's been grinding its way up today, man. Currently at 6.73, which is very, very good to see. And as you guys always, as I always say, guys, the potential for Luna right now, just back to its all-time high, which was at $22 right there. Do not write off Luna. Look at the type of run Luna had recently. Man, I got in down here at Luna. Look at it. Luna is not done yet. Yeah. So, you know, I don't want to say take my advice, man, because you know how it is. It's not financial advice or anything like that, but people should be invested in Luna right now, in my opinion. Staking is basically where you can lock up your crypto, and as a reward for locking it up, for helping that crypto's ecosystem and everything, you get rewards, you get airdrops. That's basically what it is. We need to do a video on how to, yeah, we will do a video on how to do staking. It's just such a broad subject because say for instance certain cryptos will have different rewards, right? I can give you an example right now, right? Give me a second. Let me take this off. Stop screen. Window. Where is my, I'm going to show you how I stake Luna. Okay. Where is it? Here we go. So I stake my Luna on Terra Station, which is this right here. This is basically an app which you could download. It's just this here. It's called Terra Station. Oh, you can't see that, can you? Yeah, I can't show you. It's basically called Terra Station. You can download it if you just go to Google. And let me just make sure you guys can see the screen. Yes, you can. Cool. So here on Terra Station, you basically go to staking. And you know, you can, this is how much you stake, and you get your rewards here. And then once you claim your rewards, it will go into your wallet. And then just for staking Luna, as well, I also get airdrops of Mirror Protocol and Anchor Protocol. So what I'll do, that was Luna, and for me staking Luna, I then get, let me show you. Sorry guys, I keep having to go to like different tabs because I wasn't prepared for this. Now let's share this one. And here is my Mirror Protocol. Okay, so this is basically connected to my Terra Station. And on my page here is where I stake my Mirror Protocol. And you currently get 57% APR for staking Mirror Protocol. And I stake Mirror Protocol and I get Mirror as a reward for staking it. Okay, just dropped in here and then it just gets automatically restaked. But I also get rewards which will turn up here for staking Luna. And as you can see here, Luna airdrop timer, right? My next airdrop will be in 8 hours, and that will be of Anchor Protocol. So if I go over here, sorry guys, I know so many protocols. Here, I've got the Anchor Protocol website, and you know, I'll get an airdrop here, which will come here. It will go down here, and you know, whenever you get them, you can, if you wanted to send it back to your exchange, to trade it for money and take it, you could do that. It's basically passive income, guys. Or if you wanted to claim your rewards and then restake them to earn more, then you're earning more. Do you know what I mean? So that's basically what staking is. But I've just shown you one example of Luna, which I believe has the best staking rewards in the world right now. And that's 2 airdrops, right? I get Mirror Protocol and Anchor Protocol for staking Luna. Now, put this into perspective. Luna has another 16 airdrops on its way, right? just for staking Luna. So by the end of this year, hopefully, Luna stakers will have access to 18 airdrops every week. So every week you're going to be getting 18 airdrops, right? And you just constantly making passive income. At this moment in time, for every 1,000 Luna you stake, you get 1 MIR every week. Okay. For every 1,000 Luna you stake, you get 3 Anchor every week. Okay. So you can just kind of put into perspective how much you're going to be earning per week, depending on how much Luna you are staking. And then there's going to be another 16 airdrops coming. So it is going to be crazy. I know it's very confusing, man. Seriously, this is why I don't talk too much about it, because it's so confusing. And even I was confused with what staking actually is until you do get your head around it. It is very easy to do, but at the beginning, it's so hard to understand. Essentially, you are basically... you bought your crypto, and if that crypto has staking available, you are basically locking up that crypto, and as a reward for locking it up, you get airdropped more of that crypto and other cryptos, depending on what crypto you are staking. So yeah, that's basically what it is, man. That's basically what it is. I'll do a video on it for sure. It'll be a long one though, so you're gonna have to bear with me, man. 1,000 Luna is 6,700. Yep, I know. I got in very early though. But the thing is, with Luna though, you got to look longer term. If there's going to be 16 more airdrops coming, even if you've got a little bit of Luna, you're still going to be getting airdrops every single week upcoming, right? So you can't really look at price too much as of now. For those that don't have so much Luna, yes, maybe I don't recommend staking it. Reason is because if you stake Luna, if you wanted to then unstake it, so like send it back to your exchange to take profit or whatever, you got to wait 21 days. So there's a 21-day lockup period for Luna. So, you know, that's the only downfall of staking. That's what it would do. So yeah, I'll do this in another video though, guys, because it's a lot to understand, and it's very, very confusing if you do not know what staking actually is, right? But I will cover that in another video for you. And then, yeah, guys, I just wanted to end off the stream by taking a look at who's this guy? Can't beat taking investment advice of someone in their bedroom in an Arsenal t-shirt. Ryan Broomfield coming through on the stream. I know, man. I know. What can you do, bro? COVID. I had surgery on my leg recently, so I can't go out too much. I'm just trying to help as many people as I can, but you wouldn't understand that. Anyway, let me show you guys the scores which we had during the Euros. Here we go. So this is what we had so far, just coming to an end, right? So we had Italy, XRP, with the 3 points. So basically every win counts as 3 points. So this isn't the score, this is the points. Switzerland with 3 points, Finland, Russia, Austria, Holland, England, Scotland, Poland, Spain, all with the 3 points. So we've got DOT, Matic, BNB, TRX, Solana, ETC, which is Ethereum Classic, EOS, Litecoin, Tether, and XRP in the lead. We'll see what the results will be for the rest of the games, and then yeah, we'll definitely keep an eye on it, guys. But so far, so good. We cannot complain. But yeah, guys, I think that's gonna come to the end of this of the stream. Thank you all for watching and bearing with me with my poor streaming skills today in regards to showing you the screens and everything. Still trying to get my head around everything. But yeah, thank you all for watching. I hope you guys did like the video and the live stream. Please be sure to join me tomorrow so I can show you the crypto pick of the week. We'll be going through showing you the research behind the next coin that I want to show you guys. And yes, before we go, I did see that. I know Spain absolutely destroyed Sweden, but they held in there, didn't they? I believe Spain had like 85% possession, which was crazy. But well done to you guys, man. Well done to you guys. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please do like the video before you go. Subscribe if you haven't already. And guys, I will catch you again very soon. Take care.